We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with absolute legend of our screens and self-proclaimed renovation rookie, Deborah Hutton, and our resident design queen, Natalee Bowen, for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Now, this is definitely one of my favourite areas because a fireplace to me is like the central part of any room, particularly a living area.
It's a must-have.
Yeah, and every house I've ever been in or apartment, I have to have one. Even if I put a stud wall in and put something in there and it doesn't even have a flue. I need to have a fireplace. I need sort of the warmth in the room.
Absolutely, and look, this is the most beautiful place to come to look and have a good feel of all these beautiful hand-carved stone. So we've got granite, we have marble, we've got Carrara marble. Just the most beautiful, elegant fireplaces.
They're absolutely gorgeous. And I suppose it also depends on if you've really got a lovely sort of Victorian house, as a lot of these would fit in.
Yeah.
But you've also, there's different takes on it. I mean, that one's quite retro.
Yeah.
Then you've got
That's
quite
right.
ornate. What do you choose personally?
Have a look at the character of the home. So if you're going more contemporary, something a little bit more clean-lined and square is better.
Yeah.
If it's more sort of Hamptons, then of course you can afford to go a bit more squirrely.
Yeah.
If you're looking at more of a French provincial English, again, more layering, and you'll see some gorgeous hand-carved pieces here that really add all of those incredible elements. For me, a mantelpiece is just, again, an extra layer. So we're talking bedrooms, we're talking living rooms, dining rooms. Where there is a spare wall, you put a mantle. Even if you don't have a flue like we were talking about, put a couple of beautiful big candles. So again, it still gives you the element. Put a big, beautiful mirror on the wall next to them, layer them with lamps.
Yeah, which is true.
Divine.
Even if you live in Queensland, because a lot of people don't have fireplaces up there. I don't think it should stop you. I think it's just having that wonderful focal point of the room.
Absolutely.
And do not ever put a television above it. That's a personal thing.
That's very opinionated.
Yes, it is. I just think
controversial.
Well, okay, but I just look at them and I think there's so many beautiful things, or a painting, or some image, and candles, and all that sort of stuff.
Absolutely.
And if you want to have a TV, then put it somewhere else, because what I think you do is you take away from the beauty of the mantle.
Yes, you are right. A beautiful print would look divine on there.
Absolutely.
Or a mirror. Beautiful.
Exactly.
Practicality is that thing, though. Is that when you've got centralised in a room to get that balance, sometimes the only option is to put the telly above the fireplace.
I know. It just challenges me, though, because I think it just takes away from the beauty of it.
Absolutely.
Anyway, that's right. Can't you just watch something on your phone?
Well, you'd think so these days. iPad.
There you go.
Here you go. You have that in your lap, and then have your beautiful fireplace.
There we go. All sorted.
Yeah.